Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wait, oh. Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing. Wasn't needed, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down